What if I told you that right now people in America are making thousands of dollars every month simply by creating content using artificial intelligence? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it is true. AI content creation is becoming one of the fastest growing online businesses in America because companies, creators, brands, and influencers constantly need videos, articles, graphics, advertisements, and social media content. But here comes the biggest question. How can someone actually start an AI content creation business in America? Let's understand the complete roadmap. First of all, you need to understand what AI content creation actually means. It means using artificial intelligence tools to create digital content faster, smarter, and more efficiently. This includes YouTube videos, blog articles, thumbnails, social media posts, advertisements, AI voiceovers, graphics, scripts, short videos, and even marketing campaigns. Right now, businesses in America need huge amounts of online content every single day because social media platforms, websites, YouTube channels, and digital marketing campaigns constantly require fresh content, and this is creating massive opportunities for AI creators. The first step in starting an AI content creation business is learning modern AI tools. Today, many people use AI tools for script writing, image generation, video editing, voiceovers, graphic design, and automation. Some tools help create entire videos within minutes. The good news is that many AI platforms are beginner-friendly, which means you do not need advanced coding skills to start. Now, the second major step is choosing your niche because content creation is a massive industry. Some creators focus on business content. Some work with fitness brands, real estate companies, gaming channels, finance pages, technology, influencers, or e-commerce businesses. Choosing one niche helps you understand your audience and create better content. For example, a real estate business may need AI-generated property videos, social media posts, and advertising content, while a fitness brand may need motivational reels, workout graphics, and marketing campaigns. Once you understand your niche, you can start offering content creation services to businesses, creators, and online brands. Now, honestly, one of the biggest challenges in this business is standing out. Because thousands of people are already using AI tools. That is why creativity becomes extremely important. The people who succeed usually combine AI with storytelling, editing, branding, and audience psychology. Because AI can generate content quickly, but human creativity still makes content engaging, emotional, and viral. Many successful AI creators in America start by building their own social media pages, YouTube channels, or portfolio websites to showcase their work. Once businesses see high-quality content, they often hire creators for long-term projects, and this is where the business becomes powerful. Many AI content creators work on monthly contracts, meaning businesses continuously pay for content every month that creates recurring income instead of one-time payments. Now let's talk about earning potential because this is one of the biggest reasons people are entering this industry. Some AI creators in America already make thousands of dollars every month through YouTube automation, content agencies, freelance services, brand partnerships, and digital marketing. And honestly, this industry is still growing extremely fast. Another important thing many people do not realize is that content demand is increasing every year. Short videos, advertisements, podcasts, blogs, social media reels, and AI marketing content are exploding across the internet. That means businesses constantly need creators who can produce high-quality content quickly. But here is something important. Using AI tools alone is not enough. The people who succeed usually understand trends, storytelling, editing, audience retention, branding, and internet psychology, because online attention is now one of the most valuable things in the digital world. Now, another important question. Can someone start an AI content creation business without living in America? Yes, absolutely. Many creators work remotely with American businesses, clients, and brands from different countries around the world. Companies are hiring online creators for AI-powered content services. But one thing is common in almost every successful creator: consistency, because algorithms, trends, and AI technology constantly change, and successful creators continuously adapt, learn, and improve. And honestly, this may be one of the biggest opportunities of the modern digital era. Because artificial intelligence is already changing how content is created, consumed, and monetized across America. And the people who understand AI content creation early may build massive online businesses in the future.